Hello and good day. I'm Louis JP and I'm from BSIT 3A, and today I'm going to discuss about network performance tests. So, what is network performance test? Any procedure used to evaluate a computer network's performance on a quantitative or qualitative level is known as a network performance test. It examines and documents certain network behaviors and if operations that taken together determine the network performance and or service quality. Next, how to perform a network performance check or test. Transferring a file between two endpoints, usually a workstation and server, receiving it back, and measuring the time taken for both the upload and download process is a simple manual way to test and examine network performance. The upload and download rates, however, can also be affected by potential hard disk utilization and any other difficulties impacting any device involved. Even though this set of transfers offers a very high network performance, these potential stumbling blocks skew data. It is frequently required to have a more thorough and holistic view of network performance because servers are designed to handle larger volumes of transmission data than a single workstation can transmit. A more precise picture of present operation, performance, and problems can be obtained by using efficient network performance monitoring and testing tools. So, how do network performance testing tools work? The uplink and downlink speeds of a network are examined by network performance testers, which essentially produces a picture of how quickly and effectively data is transferred over the network as well as how responsive the network is to user inputs. In order to do this, a data item is often sent to N from the network and the corresponding performance metrics such as upload speed, download speed, throughput, jitter, delay, and others are then measured. When it comes time to take action, network performance testing tools can be used to create performance baseline, optimal ranges, and important thresholds by performing qualitative and quantitative tests to quantify present and historical performance. The end user perspective is frequently included in network performance studies, making them crucial for any company or, organization that uses customer focused web services, applications, databases. It's also critical to test network performance to make sure internal staff can complete everyday activities effectively. Next is, what is the purpose of network performance testing? Network performance test aims to capture metrics related to specific devices and processes so that you may evaluate the data and gain knowledge about current usage, activity, and future problems in order to improve performance and guarantee network uptime. Many factors can negatively impact network performance. Using network performance testing tools can allow you to more easily isolate root causes of different performance issues and quickly begin troubleshooting. Network performance testing software is built to make it possible to more easily monitor the performance and dependencies of network devices and software applications and services with far greater effectiveness that can be achieved testing network performance manually. Network performance testing tools can also enable you to configure acceptable limits and ranges in performance for various critical metrics. Then automatically send alerts when performance or resource usage reaches those thresholds. Network performance testing can also be vital to understanding whether IT services are meeting their expected service level agreements. Next is why is the network performance testing is important. In addition to the demands and baseline expectations that are placed on these systems as networks become more complex, most dispersed and hybridized, a bigger challenge is the difficulty of properly monitoring network components in order to ensure that network performance metrics are accurately evaluated. Network performance testers are essential. They can also assist keep subpar devices performance from sliding through the cracks. A fundamental step in ensuring that network are correctly provisioned and operating at peak efficiency is the implementation of proactive network performance testing software that offers continual periodic monitoring of vital metrics. Measurement of performance metrics, however, is only half the battle. It's critical to recognize when performance measurements point to a potential problem with the system with the help of network performance testing tools. You may more easily troubleshoot, find the source of the problem and fix it before it becomes a crisis and interferes with company operations. These tools are meant to alert you to bandwidth and performance concern. Network services are more likely to be effective in the absence of network testing tools to assist you rapidly identify the root cause and resolve the problem. How does network performance testing work with Network Performance Monitor or NPM? An easy, logical, and customizable method of network performance testing is provided by Performance Monitor. The purpose of default out-of-the-box monitoring templates is to enable you to monitor the most important metrics and parameters across your systems. The perf stack feature makes it simpler to compare and analyze NPM network measurements over time with other performance information for the network, systems, virtualization, database, or storage. In the, in the end, creating solid network performance testing procedure is crucial to resolving problems and enhancing end user experience. What other features does Network Performance Monitor have? For your entire network, Network Performance Monitor or NPM provides extensive monitoring and analysis features. SNP, networks, LANs, and many more network components are all monitored by NPM, which also supports multi-vendor monitoring. You can guarantee the network is operating at peak efficiency and that the system is properly supported by using fault management and infrastructure monitoring capabilities. NPM can map important dependencies and relationships, offering helpful insights into issues related to particular network pathways. You may choose the crucial levels for important parameters to trigger notification as well as who receives them, when they are sent, and how with NPM's Smart Alert system, which is also programmable. NPM is highly scalable network performance monitoring solution that can offer significant benefits to small, medium, and enterprise companies alike as their network monitoring needs grow or change. It is not only a robust and reasonably priced network performance monitoring tool with testing capabilities. Before I end this discussion, I'll show you a simple network performance test. So, as you can see here, is the download and upload. So that's the ending discussion. Thanks for watching.